These are white capuchin monkeys? White-faced capuchin monkeys, obviously.
White-faced capuchin monkeys, or capuchin tail. Why we call capuchin tail? Because the tail, you can see, is the number 5. It's like a fit. You can see how very well it's rubble in the hole in the tree. Look, always the tail is
must be carried on board. Look at that.
Oh, that's so cute. It is just beyond cute. Oh. 2 days ago? No, 5 months ago.
I'll have to.
Got it.
All right, these are the ones I have to capture and bring back for Angie.
Oh, look. What do you think? I just put that. Well.
Yeah, a lot of spider monkeys around.
Now where are you going, Goofy?
Okay, we're on a boat trip in Lake Nicaragua, and we are at a little island because there's an archipelago in the lake, and as you can see, we have monkeys in the island.
That one. There we go.